Hi guys, welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing session with myself, Avena Prince. We have a few videos on how to do pleats and how to calculate the amount of fabric on here, so I would advise you to take a look at these videos. But today I'm going to show you quickly how to do your box pleats. Let's see. We are going to show you just how to achieve box pleats. So, okay guys, so I like to think of a box pleat as being two knife pleats that are at loggerheads with each other, so they are facing away from each other. So if we are doing a pleat that is 4 inches, we are going to need 4 inches for the width of the pleat, and we're going to need an additional 4 inches for both sides of the pleat. Okay, so let's go with that. So my first 4 inches, my second 4 inches, which is going to be the pleat or the part of the pleat you will see, and the final 4 inches. Okay. So I said 4, but just to show you exactly how it works out to 4 inches. The pleats are going to meet at the center. Okay, so the pleats are going to meet at the center of the area that's going to be our box. So let's see. We have 2 inches and 2 inches, and remember our center of our pleat is at 2 inches. So when we bring this over, right here at the center we have the first 2 inches, so that's our first pleat. I hope you can see that. Then for the second pleat, it's basically the same thing. So we're going to go across to the center, and easy as pie. That is our box pleat. So again, the calculation is going to be the top, our 4 inches, and then we have coming down here 2 inches, and out again 2 inches, being an additional 4. We have the very same thing on the opposite side, which gives us an additional 4 inches for a total of 12 inches. Okay, now this is going to give us a very full skirt. So in the event you do not want your skirt to be extremely full, you could also reduce the depth of your pleats. Okay, so you could reduce how far inside you go, and to do that, instead of using 2 inches for both pleats or for both pleated portions, you could use instead 1 inch. Okay, so that would reduce our pleat measurement, or that would reduce our amount of fabric for each pleat to 8 inches. Let me demonstrate. So we have 4 inches on the top. We're going to take 1 inch and fold over 1 inch. Okay, so for this we're going to work with 2 inches. So that's 1 inch, and then to fold an additional inch. Then we have the placement of our main pleat, which is going to be 4 inches, because remember we want our pleats to be 4 inches wide. And then the remainder for our second part of the pleats. Okay, so let's fold. We're bringing this one across. Okay, so again that's 2 inches, cross across, so we now have 1 inch. And we're doing the same thing the second time. Okay, you will notice if you were doing this with me that you now have less amount of fabric for your pleats. So guys, that's how you do your box pleat. Again, remember the first option gives you a fuller pleat, and the second option is going to give you less fabric in your pleats. Okay, so I trust that you enjoyed this demonstration. If you have any questions, please leave them in the section below, and yes, I will be happy to help you with any questions you may have. Until next time, bye. And we've been showing how to do box pleat, and we've been showing,